Imagine holding a piece of engineering so advanced, so uncompromising, that it actively blurs the line between human capability and machine precision. For years, the rugged smartwatch industry has been locked in a fierce, predictable cycle of minor updates, incremental battery improvements, and incremental sensor tweaks. But behind closed doors, deep within the research labs of the world's undisputed leader in GPS navigation, a quiet revolution has been taking place. A project so ambitious, it was designed from day one to completely rewrite the rules of what an outdoor adventure watch can do. This is not just another yearly update. This is the culmination of decades of tactical, aviation, and marine engineering, condensed into a single, indestructible instrument of survival. This is the highly classified, deeply anticipated story of the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. For the past several months, whispers from deep within the supply chain have painted a picture of a device that doesn't just compete with the modern smartwatch market. It completely detaches itself from it. While other tech giants focus on making lifestyle accessories that require daily charging, Garmin has focused on something entirely different: absolute, unyielding survival. The Fenix series has always been the gold standard for athletes, military personnel, explorers, and survivalists who demand technology that works when everything else fails. But with the Fenix 9 Pro, Garmin is pushing the envelope into territories that sound like science fiction. If you think you've seen the pinnacle of wearable technology, you need to prepare yourself, because the jump to this next-generation powerhouse is going to change how you interact with the physical world forever. To understand why the global tech and fitness communities are in a state of absolute frenzy over this unreleased device, we have to look at the single greatest engineering paradox in wearable history: the display. For years, smartwatch users have been forced to make a painful compromise. You either chose a beautiful, bright, battery-sucking AMOLED screen that washed out under direct sunlight, or you chose a dull, low-contrast memory and pixel display that looked washed out indoors but lasted for weeks. It was a trade-off between visual beauty and survival capability. Garmin looked at this compromise and decided to obliterate it. The breakthrough at the heart of the Fenix 9 Pro is a revolutionary, proprietary display technology that the industry has been chasing for a decade: a customized ultra-high-efficiency microLED matrix. This isn't just an evolutionary step, it is a clean slate redesign. This display delivers the blinding brightness, deep contrast, and vibrant colors of high-end consumer screens, but it does so while consuming a mere fraction of the power. It features a dual-state active matrix that automatically adapts to your environment. Indoors, it glows with absolute clarity, displaying rich, detailed topographical maps with razor-sharp precision. But the moment you step into the harsh, direct glare of the desert sun, the display physics shift. It utilizes a reflective backing layer that actually harnesses the ambient sunlight to illuminate the screen, meaning the brighter the sun, the clearer and more legible your data becomes, all without drawing a single extra milliwatt of power from the battery. But a groundbreaking display is completely worthless if you don't have the energy to run it. This brings us to the second, and perhaps most mind-blowing, technological leap integrated into the Fenix 9 Pro: the next generation of solar harvesting.